video I'm going to be showing other animations which you can do in Android Studio, and after this video we are going to make a very fun game. So I'm not going to disclose the name of that game just yet, and I'll tell it when that game is made, which is the next video. So let's get started with today's project. So what we should do is that we should just open that file again. So let me just go and open it up. There it is, Android Studio projects. Then open that file which we called images. Then let's go in. Let's just wait for this to prepare. So here we are just going to work on one of them. So what you can do is just delete all of this code. So the first thing I'm going to show you is so we are just going to use one of them. So let's first start with the scale x and y. So let's do Spinosaurus dot animate dot scale x, and you have to add like 0.5, then you have to add f as well, and scale y also we are going to do 0.5 f, and then we are going to do set duration, and we'll do 2000 seconds. So let's see how that looks on our emulator. So let's just wait for our emulator to set up. It will just take like a bit of time. Okay, let's wait. Oh yeah, I forgot I need to get rid of that T-Rex image view. So let me just get rid of it. And the Spinosaurus image view, set the alpha as 1 so it's visible. And here get rid of this T-Rex as well. So let's now start. Now let's see how it looks. Okay, let's just wait a second for this. The emulator is taking some time, so let's just wait a second. Okay, the emulator is run, and let's click. See what is happening, it's going smaller. So what we can do is that if you want it to go smaller, make this number smaller, but if you do 2f, then it will become like x, so x it will become wider and the height will become shorter. So if we see this, we'll see it's becoming wider and wider, but that doesn't look too great. So now let us do our second one. So let's do it dot animate dot, and the next one we are going to do is rotation, and we are going to do the number of times. So let's do 360, and then dot set duration, we'll set the duration as 2000 seconds, and then of course the semicolon. So let's see, this will make the Spinosaurus image rotate a lot. Let's see, it has rotated. So now if you wanted to see faster, then do 1000 seconds and add your 0. So you can just play around with this. See how fast that went. The last thing what we are going to do is do translation x y. So translation y by, let's try 180, and then translation x by, let's also do 180, and then we'll do duration and we'll keep it as 2000 seconds again. So let's see the output of this. So it's gone down. So firstly what we can do is that there is one thing which we can do. Let's just do when the app opens. So what we have to do is that firstly we need to bring this down here so that it will be found. Then what we are going to do is spinosaurus.set x, and we'll keep this as -1000, and then we'll do spinosaurus dot animate dot translation x by, so we'll make it come back, and then we'll make it come back via rotation, and then we'll do 3600 times, and duration we'll set as 2000. So let's see how this looks. So now, like, the Spinosaurus shouldn't be in the image at first, and then it will come like spinning in when the app opens. So you can see it has come spinning in and it has come into our mobile app. So that is it for this video. So there are so many more animations which you can try. If you just see spinosaurus.animate and here are all the different types of animations which you can do, like till here. So you can try them all as you want. So yeah, so if you want you can just try them all out, but this is the end of my video. So I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and bye.